Today we're going to be making Chicago popcorn. Today we're going to be making Chicago popcorn. And Chicago style popcorn is where you take caramel corn and you mix equal parts caramel corn and equal parts cheddar cheese popcorn. So we have our Gold Medal Glaze Pop caramel corn additive that we're going to be making. And then also we're going to be making a batch of cheddar cheese popcorn where we're using this other Gold Medal cheddar cheese corn treat product. So we'll make a batch of each and we'll mix them together. All right, we're going to be making our cheddar cheese popcorn. We have 1.5 cups of our coconut popcorn oil, and we're going to be adding 3 cups of popcorn. We'll get that heated up. We're heating it up, and our kernels are just starting to pop. Keep it moving. Make sure it doesn't burn. Alright, dump our nice hot popcorn. Get this ready to go for our cheddar cheese flavoring. Take that, we're going to dump it in our big plastic bag. Nice hot popcorn. We're going to add 2/3 cup of our cheddar cheese seasoning on. And we use a nice big garbage bag. It just helps coat it. That nice hot popcorn. Get that nice shaken up. Get nice and coated, that nice warm popcorn along with that cheddar cheese mix, and there you go. Look at that cheddar cheese popcorn, nice and. All right, we're going to be making caramel corn now, the other half of for our Chicago mix. So we'll just basically be making our regular caramel corn like we normally do with our glaze pop. So here is 1.5 cups of corn oil and 3 cups of popcorn. Get that fired up, and then once we heat it up and the corn kernels start to pop, we'll then add our glaze pop. All right, our kernels are starting to pop a little bit here, and what we're going to do, because we're using 3 cups of popcorn, we're going to be using 1.5 cups of our caramel glaze pop, and we'll add that now. Get that stirred up, mixed up real good. Should start to foam up a little bit. There we go. Get that nice and mixed up. And once it comes back up to temperature, it'll start popping again. All right, you can really smell that caramel flavor. Oh, it smells really, really good. And it's gonna start popping again now. It's just getting back up to temperature, and that smell is just sweet, buttery, really good. Kill the heat. Dump it out. All right, here we have our caramel corn. We're going to take this caramel corn and we're going to mix it with the cheddar cheese popcorn that we made earlier. So this is equal parts cheddar and equal parts caramel, and we'll get it mixing it up. And this is that Chicago style popcorn. So it's a little bit of sweet, a little bit of savory. There you go. Let's take a look at it here. A couple pieces. We have the cheddar and we have the caramel, and we'll give it a try. Just a little bit of savory, a little bit of sweet. Really, really good. I can see why this is definitely a favorite for some.